Here we are at 614 Beech Street in the borough of Pottstown in this brand new rehabilitated property. This project was designed and completed by Iron Space Designs and Steel Roots Marketplace. I'm excited to show you around, and I'm excited to introduce you to their new concept, which is industrial meets farmhouse. In this partnership between Iron Space Designs and Steel Roots Marketplace, Iron Space Designs takes care of the rehabilitation of the physical structure and the architecture. Steel Roots Marketplace is a business that makes all of the accent pieces that you see in this property. And by that I mean this end table, the coffee table, and some of the other accent pieces and custom designed architectural pieces that we're going to see throughout this property. This is the second floor at 614 Beech Street. Up here we have 2 bedrooms, this being the second bedroom, and a full bath in the hallway. Here we are in the full bath on the second floor. I really like the subway tiles in the shower surround. They look nice. Again, we've got a brand new full bathroom here. Tile surround, new vanity, new lighting, and a ceramic tile floor. Here we are at the kitchen at 614 Beech Street. What I'd like to highlight here are granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and hardwood flooring. As we can see in the kitchen here, Iron Space Designs and Steel Roots Marketplace have brought together a concept called industrial meets farmhouse. In this countertop and backsplash, we can see those themes coming together. We've got the wide plank, the piping, and the subway tiles coming together to create this great countertop and backsplash. On the lower level here at 614 Beech Street, we have a family room, the third bedroom, and a half bath with a full laundry. This is going to be a convenient place to come in, have some time to relax while you're getting your laundry done. This property is located in an urban neighborhood. However, we've got this nice sized backyard that's just waiting for the new homeowner to plan their backyard barbecue, their garden, or all of the above. One of the nice architectural features here at 614 Beech Street is this nice covered front porch. I can imagine myself sitting outside on a nice spring or fall day, enjoying the neighborhood and enjoying watching life go by. 614 Beech Street is really close to a few of the social, cultural, and recreational opportunities here in Pottstown. There's also some really nice restaurants and places to grab a quick bite to eat in Pottstown. One of those, Brunish's world famous sausage, is right around the corner. If you're ever in Pottstown and you're looking for a quick snack and you're looking for a good hot sausage, stop by Brunish's on Lincoln Avenue. In addition to that, we have very nearby the Art Fusion Community Arts Center. There's a brand new brew pub in Pottstown, Pottstown United Brewing Company. And a little bit down the street on Beech Street, you will find Memorial Park. Plenty of stuff to do down at Memorial Park. There's a jogging trail, there's ball fields, fishing. There's a pavilion that you can rent out for birthday parties, weddings, or other gatherings. And also the Pottstown stop on the Colebrook Scenic Railroad is located down at Memorial Park. So in addition to having a great rehab house in this neighborhood is located by a lot of really good things to do in the up and coming borough of Pottstown. This has been the latest episode of In the Works at 614 Beech Street. I'm Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. You can follow me on YouTube and Facebook, Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. Also, while you're watching these videos, I need you to do a few things for me. I need you to like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions or comments, put them in the box below. I do read the comments, and lately I have been honoring viewers' requests. So, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for following In the Works.